Step 1. Uninstall the factory engine cover. Step 2. Loosen the hose clamp and disengage the coupler from the airbox. Step 3. Loosen the intake tube clamp on the turbocharger compressor inlet. Step 4. Disconnect the CCV hose from the factory intake tube. Step 5. Remove the bolt securing the factory intake tube. Step 6. Pop out the coolant hose push mount clip on the intake tube. Step 7. Unmount the intake tube grommet from its lower support. Step 8. Remove the factory intake tube assembly. Step 9. Pre-install the L bracket to the PPE intake tube using 2 of the short screws provided. Step 10. Install the provided grommet to the L bracket with the washer side at the bottom. Step 11. Transfer the factory round grommet to the second L bracket and pre-install the second L bracket onto the PPE intake. Step 12. Pre-install the supplied ribbed coupler onto the PPE intake tube and secure with an 89mm clamp. Make sure to install the clamp on the smooth part of the tube past the beaded end. Step 13. Pre-install an 89mm clamp on the straight coupler and install the large end of the coupler under the compressor inlet flange. Step 14. Tighten the 89mm clamp from the last step. Step 15. Pre-install an 83mm clamp onto the other side of the straight coupler. Step 12. Pre-install the supplied ribbed coupler onto the PPE intake tube and secure with an 89mm clamp. Make sure to install the clamp on the smooth part of the tube past the beaded end. Step 16. Install the PPE intake tube by sliding the small end into the straight coupler and connecting the ribbed coupler onto the airbox. Pre-install an 89mm clamp onto the ribbed coupler where it connects to the airbox. Step 17. Tighten the airbox clamp. Then make sure the round grommet is securely seated on the plastic support. Step 18. Reinstall and tighten the factory bolt through the PPE grommet. Step 19. Tighten the 83mm clamp that was pre-installed in Step 15. Step 20. Reconnect the CCV hose to the PPE intake tube and secure with the factory clamp. Pinch on the crimp to tighten the clamp. Installation complete.